Cooking with Alpa, and today we are not cooking anything. Instead, I'm going to show you how to remove the corn kernels under 1 minute without the use of any kind of machine, just by your hands. And guys, you can use this for salads, you can use it in sandwiches. Instead of buying ready-made packets of those corn, which you don't know how old they are in those packets, you can use fresh corn. And now let's proceed. So guys, before we start removing our corn kernels, what do we need to do first? We need to remove the top layer of the corn, right? So how do you guys remove it? You might be removing like this, right? Like this. But that's not the right way to remove the corn, because these, you see these silk, these are called corn silk, they get stuck and it becomes very tough to remove them. So the right way is to cut the corn from here like this. Perfect. So now what we need to do is just start peeling them in the other direction like this, and then just go like that. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. And then just rub your hand once and we are set. So most of our threads of the corn will come out very easily like this if you do it this way. And now let me show you how to remove these corn kernels. So guys, now it's time for us to start removing our corn. So I'm just going to take the back of a spoon and pierce it in between like this, and then push it. Pierce and push, pierce and push. The very first row takes a little longer, and then it's just a piece of cake. Using my fingers, I just remove that one row. And now what we need to do is just take this and go in the direction where there is no corn. So just go like that. Press, 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 and then they'll come out like magic. I'm like a corn monster. I removed each and every single corn from here, and look at it, full pieces of corn. Just absolutely amazing. And I timed it. Guys, it took me less than a minute to do one corn. So guys, do try it out next time you want to make some butter corn, a masala corn. So guys, do let me know if you found this information useful or not, and if you use this method to remove the corn kernels, and for which recipe you use the corn. And guys, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and if you did like this video, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon.